Storm Angus. Helen has got the forecast for us. Can you answer a question for me? I mean, we're at A. This is the first named storm of the year.
Yes.
Do you just reset at the beginning of the year, or have we been all the way round the alphabet?
No, it depends how far through we get, actually, Christian. So the names are already predetermined. They were chosen a while ago. So obviously B coming up. And I can't remember how many we had last year, but we certainly got quite a way into the alphabet. I remember going through H, because that's obviously with my name. But yes, so we are at the first one. It was about the same time as we had Abigail, actually, our first one last year. So, yes, it's bearing down upon us at the moment, Angus, isn't it? The wind warning from the Met Office lasting for the next hour or two, where there's still scope for 70, even 80-mile-an-hour gusts of wind clipping parts of the southeast, so Kent, parts of Sussex, the Isle of Wight. It's been a double, well, in fact, a triple whammy, because the rain has caused issues with flooding. There are nearly 30 flood warnings out across England and Wales, but we've had snow as well. Now, if that weren't enough, further north, across Scotland and Northern Ireland, we're seeing some wonderful weather watcher pictures this morning of fog. So if we take a quick glance around the country, around about now, we've got temperatures well below freezing across Scotland and Northern Ireland. The freezing fog is an issue. Now, unlike the wind and rain for England and Wales, the freezing fog might actually last across Scotland and Northern Ireland for much of the day. So it's a tale of two different seasons, really, across the UK today. So much weather detail to get in. And if you do want more detail on the warnings, it's all on the website. That low pressure moves out the way. That's Angus. That's moving out of the way. We get the drier, brighter weather filtering through elsewhere, and we get a much calmer afternoon, bar the freezing fog in the north. But it's not going to be particularly warm again. It's slightly milder in the south just because we've had a milder night. But already you can see rain towards the southwest. And as we say goodbye to Angus, it departs into the North Sea. We're looking to this next massive cloud. On balance, it looks as if the winds won't be quite as much of a feature as Angus, but the rain will. Now, the rain is coming hot on the heels of Angus's disruptive rain that we've already had. So as we go through tonight, another bout of slow-moving weather fronts across the southern half of the country will give another inch potentially of rain and snow. Heads of the Valleys Road across Wales, perhaps up through the A470. Those sort of areas affected by snow will cause some disruption. Further north, it's business as usual. A little bit icy as well, potentially for parts of Wales, the Midlands, Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow. But look at the rush hour tomorrow morning. It looks pretty miserable. More rain. There will still be strong winds, don't get me wrong. There'll still be some gales through the Irish Sea. So just to bear in mind that we could have some more flood warnings out as well as we go through tonight and tomorrow. Christian, back to you and Sally.
Thanks very much, I think. Thank you, Helen. If we get to Storm Sally, we're really